Time check is 5:39, Thursday uli. Katatapos lang namin sa San Antonio de Padua. Pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Nuestra Señora de Soledad. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
500 feet, slight right onto Mission Road, Mission Creek Road. Slight right onto Mission Road, Mission Creek Road.
Uy, anong ibon yan? You see those on the left? Those birds.
Continue on Mission Road for 1.5 miles.
Kumukuha ng tubig yung mga military. Yes guys, this is a military installation. May army yung mga nandito. Another 45 minutes drive, almost an hour. Number 7 for today. Alright guys, back on US 101 North from San Antonio de Padua Mission Church. We're going naman sa Nuestra Señora de Soledad. Alright guys,
Soledad Mission.
Ay! Hindi.
pwede naman tayong ano eh,
Picture na lang.
close, sarado.
Hindi.
Oh, you smile, you are on camera. Facility around. Ha? Open 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Ah, man. Okay, let's just take a picture. Guys, time check is 6:23 p.m. Nandito na kami sa ano, Nuestra Senora de Soledad. Ang problema is sarado na sila. The gate is closed, so can't even go in. So dito na lang kami sa area dito. We'll take pictures. That's all we can do for now. Bye. There it goes.
Wala naman pangalan.
Ito po, Mi.
Take a picture.
Mhm. Tapos mayroon din dito. Ayan. At ayan naman. Kaso, sarado lang. Ay! Nakabid! Alright guys, time check is 6:30